we have array of 8 returned by that XPath. We're gonna do driver dot find element, or find elements, because we have an array, right? We have an array by XPath, and the XPath that we just copied, and we have to select, let's do the last element. So we're gonna do get, the last element is 8, so we have to type 7 because the array starts from 0, right? So get the last element, and we're just gonna click on it. So we on that page, we just click on that button, add to cart. So let's click on the button and we're going to that page. What we have here, we have a drop down list. We have to select our state, California. Let's select California, inspect element, and we have a select with some bunch of options. And now which one is California? This one. Let's go down. This one, Colorado. Okay, a little up. That's the one. And the value is this one. Let's copy that value. Copy the value and create our XPath. So this is the select list with ID, and the ID is very long. The ID is the one right here. And inside that select list we have an option with the attribute value equal to that one right here. And don't forget the @ symbol, right? We have 1 of 1. Nice, we got it right there. It's kind of long path, but because of that ID, the ID of the select list was very long. That's why the XPath is so long. So let's create driver. It's very easy, right? We just have to select elements by XPath and using the same functionality, and we doing pretty fine test cases. The XPath right here, that very long ID, and the option with value, the one right there. And what we have to click, or yes, we have to click to select that California value. And that input box, that with very long ID, we just have to do input square brackets add attribute ID equal to that very long thing, and we have 1 of 1. So that's the one. So another driver dot find element by XPath, and we're gonna paste that XPath again, and we have to send keys here, right? We're gonna send some values, some characters. Let's select the zip code of 95112. And the next thing we have to do right here, we have to select Super 12 deal. So we're gonna select 4 items from the first row, 4 items from the second row, 1 item from the third row, and 3 items from the last row. I typed the XPath right here for you guys, so you don't have to type it. Basically what we have is table row. We have 4 table rows, right? 1, 2, 3, 4 table rows with that class product multi-select. And we have the first table row. We have a div. Let me show you. So driver find element by XPath. The XPath it's not the one. We have to copy the right thing. Control A. Let's copy that, the whole thing, and paste it here. And basically, from the first table row, we're going to select the fourth element, right? Let's copy that. And we have 4 rows. So 1, 2, 3, 4 rows. So from the first, we're going to select the fourth, from the second, fourth, the first, and the third element. So from the second row, we're going to select the fourth element. From the third row, we're going to select the first element. And from the fourth row, let's select the third element. Okay, and we have to click on that add to cart. Let's inspect that. We have anchor with ID. If we have ID, that's very easy. We just have to do anchor attribute ID equal to button cart. What? Where are you? Anchor ID attribute, of course, add symbol, and we have 1 of 1. And let's do driver. We just have to click on that button, right? Find element by XPath, that ID button, and we have to click on it. Okay. And let's do something. Let's on the third row, we're going to click on the second element. On the fourth row, the second element. So it's going to be a little easier, a little prettier. So we're going to have something like that. 4, 4, 2, 2. It's easier. At least it looks good. It looks better. So let's start our Selenium. Like start a Chrome driver, going to home page, and we've missed something, right? Something is not right because we didn't log in. Everything is fine, but if we check, let's close. If we check right here, we don't have the order correct. We just have everything is messed up. So we have to execute those methods in the right order. We have can go to home page, user can log in, executed second, and we have the second method executed third. So we have to fix that. We have to fix the order. So how are we gonna do that? Let's search for it. Selenium. See, I already searched for that thing. Order of tests. And Java. And as I said, I already searched for it, so it's right here somewhere. This is how we can make sure that the order of execution of those methods in JUnit is going to be correct. So we use that fixed method order. Let's import that. And this thing is not working. Let's do the, oh, this thing's not working as well. Let's just copy that import from here and paste it right here. Let's make it a little prettier. Okay, now the import is working. Okay, all right. So now let's make it a little cleaner. Let's do test 1, test 2 in front of every method, test 3. So it's clear which method we want to execute in which order. Let's start that. So we have our browser started, and something went, oh, I messed it up a little bit, but it should be fine. We have a green light, right? Let's close that and execute the thing again. See, everything is fine, but I closed the browser and you guys didn't see what's going on. So let's start the browser again. So going to home page, see the order is correct, test 1, 2, 3. Then going to login page, entering password, username, verifying the username, selecting the last item, California 95112, items, and in the basket. Good, everything's fine. And that's how we deal with Selenium. Okay, let me show you something right now.